But in the police, everything you do is legal and will be tested against the law of whatever country you are in. So you have to stay within the boundaries of the law. Now, there were practical problems. In the first place, when you fire a shot at night, there's a blinding flash coming out of the muzzle brake of your pistol or rifle or whatever you're using, shotgun, and you're completely blinded for a few seconds afterwards. And also means that you are now, of course, known where you are. So you have to have the skills to be able to shoot and move. Yes. That you don't learn in a police college or academy or whatever you people call your places. Where you just learn the basic training. It's basic shooting. You stand still, lie down, kneel, whatever. You just learn how to shoot. But in the practical terms, in the mean streets, as a street cop, you really need to know certain things. You need to know how to double tap. You need to know how to move. You need to know how to shoot. Um, not standing like Rambo with your back against the wall or whatever. And especially in a place like the US where most houses are made out of wood, that guy can shoot you right through that wood. Yeah. We had the same problem within the townships where the black people were living. You would conduct a raid there and you would search it for drugs and guns and whatever else. And it's amazing what we found there. When you can't go and stand there right next to the tin shack and think the bullets are going to go straight through it. So you need to approach differently. The other approach is if you start shooting, your bullets will go straight through the tin shack as well. You might shoot your mate on the other side who's going to be pissed off beyond belief. When if you do house penetration, and it is something we all did, is there's certain ways of going into a house to take a terrorist down. Yeah, there's ways of doing that. And we were expected to know these things. This was not special forces operations to us. This is normal. Normal police work in South Africa. So we were a different breed, man. And also South Africa have security doors and security fences and all sorts of things. To get into the house is not as easy as walking up to it and just think you're going to knock on the door. But even that's not a bad idea. Because your first thing is not to kill. You're not there to murder people. And I think that's a problem which I see with the US police. It's way out there to murder. Now, a lot of you will say to me, no, that's not true. Well, look at your statistics, mate. Laying your head in shame. It's pathetic. Pathetic in every sense of the word.